Magandang gabi, maayong gabi. Good evening, ug pares nila, buenas noches. Bienvenidos na syudad de Zamboanga. Bienvenidos na ECC, UCCP, mga hermanos y hermanas con Cristo. Pangutana, nasabtan ra ninyo? Wala. Welcome, mga kaigsuunan. As the resident minister of the United Church of Christ in the Philippines Ecumenical Center Church, it is our joy to receive you here and to open our doors and hearts to our pastors together with their spouses and families. Coming from the 7 conferences sa ato ang jurisdiction sa Northwest Mindanao jurisdiction, dili na ako nganlan kay ginamention naman sa itong mga kauban as far as Bukidnon and down to our neighboring na Zamboanga Peninsula. We are truly grateful niining opportunity to host the first ever nga Biennial Fellowship diri sa Zamboanga City. And though we may have limitations, sorry kayo, wala na mo na-accommodate tanan, but we are trying and we offer what we have with glad hearts. Unta nakita to ninyo. And it is our prayer that during your stay here in Zamboanga City, you may feel welcome, cared for, and at home among us. It is also my joy to warmly welcome the representatives sa amuang city, representing our city mayor ni Honorable Kaimer Adan Olaso, through Sir Rosendo Junti Castillo III. Thank you so much, sir. And also the presence sa ang representative sa City Police, Director nga si Police Major Ana L. Santos. Salamat po. And I think muabot ra po tong unya representative sa barangay captain, but we are thankful sa ilang gipadala nga mga tanods for our security also at night. And we sincerely thank them. Thank you po for being here on behalf of our honored guest. Your presence assures the community or the fellowship na ang suporta ug ang safety maanapod sa mua, which will help make the fellowship a blessed and meaningful time for all. Again, we are blessed to be accompanied sa tuang bishop assigned to the Northwest Mindanao jurisdictional area. Thank you, Bishop Ligaya, San Francisco, as well as sa itong mga conference ministers. Dagang salamat mga CMs, whose guidance and presence encourage and strengthens the fellowship. Once again, bienvenidos, and may the peace of Christ be with us all as we begin the biennial fellowship of UKWO and MSA diri sa Zamboanga City for this year, 2026. Mayong gabi.